The International Film Festival of India 2024 concludes today, bringing the 9-day celebration of cinematic excellence to an end for the year. It started with a bang and was filled with memorable film premieres and panel discussions. Numerous celebrities from Bollywood and Hollywood made their presence felt. And if you feel the starry presence at IFFI this year is over, you're wrong. The closing ceremony today will also be a star-studded affair. In all, IFFI has been a platform for fostering deeper understanding and appreciation of films. It provided a single platform for ambitious filmmakers, cineasts and industry professionals to have access to excellent cinema from across the world. And DD India's Deepika Mehto joins us from Goa on updates from IFFI. So, Deepika, what do we know of IFFI's closing ceremony today?
Tanvi, the 9-day celebration, the festivities of cinema, culture and more concludes today in great style because there are many art, entertainment and cultural performances lined up for tonight in Goa Stadium. And to grace the red carpet, we will have big actors like Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandanna, and there will be legendary actors because this time we've seen many firsts happening at this particular edition of IFFI, from the FTII alumni meet to celebrating 100th year of legendary cinema like Raj Kapoor and others. So there will be families of those legends from the world of cinema also coming together to celebrate and grace the closing ceremony of the 55th edition. In overall, if we talk about this particular 55th edition, more than 200 films were screened and more than 75 countries participated with their work of drama, art and culture in form of cinematic landscape at this particular edition of IFFI in Goa. And tonight we will witness the conclusion with the award-winning ceremony where the silver peacock, the golden peacock will be honored to the winners. And apart from that, the much awaited Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award will be bestowed upon Australian filmmaker Philip Noyce. We also know that Australia is the country of focus this time, and IFFI opened with the Better Men, an Australian film, and this time we're gonna award the honorary award of category of Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award to Philip Noyce.
Okay. Deepika, IFFI has always been a memorable event. Tell us some of the highlights that you saw at this year's IFFI.
There are many, Tanvi, when we talk about from the first ever alumni meet. There were first 5 batches of alumni, which included a lot of people coming from the 60s era and working in Doordarshan, were honored yesterday by FTII chairman and celebrated actor R. Madhavan. Apart from that, 100 years of legendary cinema and the Bollywood makers were also celebrated, where archived material was shown to the audiences from Doordarshan by Doordarshan. And also for the first time, Prasar Bharati launched its own OTT app, which is called Waves, which has been hailed. You've been seeing this in our reports also. The OTT platform is being hailed by many actors and actresses across the country in length and breadth, in every length and breadth of the world. And apart from that, if we talk about the celebrations here, the red carpet has been graced in every 15 minutes across the 9 days of celebrations, the festivities of cinema. So if we talk about in entirety, it's not just a celebration of cinema that we are witnessing here, but also reminiscing the old times, bringing back the old times to in form of live frames and a lot more that we've seen. And the show is still on because we are yet to witness the glittering closing ceremony ahead.
Indeed, we're all looking forward to that closing ceremony. Thank you very much, Deepika. Deepika Mehto reporting from Goa on IFFI.